Hey, I hope you're good. It's Chris here from Sixth Stream Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play Layla. Okay, so for this one, we're in standard tuning, and obviously there's no capo placed on the fretboard. If you'd like the guitar tab for this, you can grab yourself a copy down below. Let's get into the lesson. Okay, so let's learn how to play the intro, which goes... into the verse. So that's starting on a D minor chord, but you just need the second string third fret and the third string second fret of your D minor chord, okay? So it starts there, and on the fifth string you're going to play open 3. Okay, so ba, ba, and then you're going to play strings 2, 3 and 4. So I play it with these two fingers. If you want to go, that's absolutely fine. I just like this. So that's the first part. And then that ties over to the next bar, and then play strings 2 and 3. And then back to that third fret on the fifth string. So you get... Okay, and then B flat. So you could just play a 5 chord if you want. So, you know, the third fret on strings 3 and 4, and then the first fret on the fifth string. You can play like that, or you can do, you know, more of a bar chord, get the second string in there if you want to as well. It doesn't really matter too much, but that's what you play. Okay, so say you play strings 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and then strum up, down, and then up to C. Yeah, so C is the same thing, up 2 frets. Okay, so you played that, and then again you can strum up, down, and then back to our D, and play strings 2, 3 and 4. So like... Yeah. Okay, and then again. So there, on that B flat, play that and then strum up, down, okay, and then up to C, and I go, okay, so it's your C5, strings 3, 4 and 5, and and then open 5, and then back to the 3rd fret, so, and then D minor again, strings 2, 3 and 4. So the second time there is, okay, so far you've gone from the start. Again, I think same as the first time. Yeah, okay, so exactly the same as the first time. And then last time, we go down to the B flat, same as before. Okay, and then it's just up to your C, okay, and play it twice. 1, 2, so and then A5, so just an A chord basically, but again strings 3, 4 and 5. And then back to C, and that's it. So that's just, I know a lot of people don't like barring with the pinky, so of course, you know, like this is absolutely fine for all of these chords. But there you go, so that's, okay. So that's the intro. So once more slowly from the start, you have played I'm just going to interrupt the video very briefly to let you know about my weekly newsletter. For years now, I've sent an email every Saturday, and it just gives you that bit extra. We go into more detail, you learn extra tips, extra tricks, I give you advice, little things, little nuggets of advice that propel your playing along, keep you inspired, help you stay motivated. And it's really popular. People seem to really like it and find it very, very useful. So if you're interested, you can sign up below. Honestly, it takes 2 seconds. You'll also get access to discounts on all of my tabs, and you can try out any of my courses for free. And it's really worth checking out. So take a look, as I say, link down below. Let's get back to the lesson. Then, of course, it's straight into the verse. What will you do when you get yeah, so there, starting on a C sharp minor, then goes to G sharp, and then it will go back to C sharp minor. Okay, so we hold down our C sharp minor chord, and then so you're going to play the 5th string, and then the 3rd string, and then on that 3rd string we're going to pull off 6 to 4. So. Okay, and then back to the 6th fret on the 3rd string, play it with the bass. So, what will you do? And then back to the 4th fret on the 3rd string. And then on the 4th string, play the 6th fret, and then the 4th fret. So, what will you do when you get like that? Okay, and then to our G sharp major, and you hold that down, play strings 4 and 6, and then on the 3rd string you're going to quickly hammer 4 to 5, so like that. Okay, and then I'll strum up or pick the top few strings 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, so like that, and then bass, and then just strum up, down, up. Okay, roughly targeting strings 3 and 4, something like that. That's what you've got. So, what will you do when you get lonely? Okay, then back to our C sharp minor. Play the bass, the 5th string, then the 3rd string, then the full fret on the 3rd string. No one, and then we get waiting by your side. So there, it's over a C chord pretty much, and you're playing the second fret on the third string, okay, it's very dissonant, and then the third fret on the fifth string, so the bass, okay, and then open second string, then strings 3 and 4, then the fourth fret on the fourth string. So it's a bit weird, but it's like that. So no one waiting by you to C. See what I'm talking about, to E. Okay, so the E, play strings 4 and 6. Okay, and then quickly hammer, a little fill here. We're gonna go open hammer to 1 on the third string, then the first string, which is open of course, and then making it an E7, play the third fret on the second string, so. And then just bass, and then strum up, down, up. Okay, so. Roughly strumming strings 2, 3, 4, okay? So, that's the first 4 bars. Let's do those again. Play through them nice and slow once more. 2, 3, 4. So, what will you do when you get lonely? That's the first 4 bars. Really nice to play. And then the last 4 bars are the. Okay, so it's F sharp minor to B7 to E to A, and then again F sharp minor to B7 to E, A. Okay, so we hold down F sharp minor, just play the bass, and then I think I strum it, but just strum or pick strings 2 and 3. Okay, and then 2, so, and then to B7. Okay, don't need the first string held down or anything like that, just that, and play strings 2, 3 and 5. Then I'll strum roughly strings 3 and 4, and then up on the second string, so like that. So you've gone just like that. Okay, and then you go, so that's E. Play strings 3, 4 and 6, but on the third string you're going to go open hammer to 1, like that. Okay, and then the third string again, so. And then on the fourth string play the full fret twice, so. And then to A, strings 4 and 5, and then I'll just strum down up. So, yeah, so from the F sharp minor, you've gone. Yeah, and then F sharp minor again, bass, then we strum, then we pick strings 2 and 3, and then 2 twice, so. And then B7, just you're foolish. Okay, so on the B7, strings 2, 3 and 5 together, and then strings 2, 3, 2. So, you know it's just you're foolish, and then E. Okay, so just the bass note, and open hammer to 1 on the third string. That's it. You know it's just your foolish pride, like that, and then just A. Okay, strings 3, 4 and 5, lay, and then we got la. Okay, and then as we know that's going to go into the chorus. So that is the verse. Here it is once more from the start. 2, 3, 4. then of course that leads into the chorus. Layla, got me on my knees, Layla, begging darling please, Layla, darling won't you ease my worry mind. So there's this chorus, then another verse, and then into another chorus for this arrangement. If you want to learn how to play that, I'm going to be teaching it over on my website. Just follow the link down in the description. You're going to get the rest of the lesson right away completely for free. Okay, well, I hope that you enjoyed learning how to play Layla. Hopefully you get into grips with it. If you want to learn more about fingerpicking and fingerstyle guitar, then head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com. Hundreds more lessons over there for all levels. And of course, everything is on fingerpicking and fingerstyle. There's a whole bunch of courses that you can take too. You can try any of them out completely for free. If you want to take your fingerstyle playing to the next level, then you've got to check it out. I'll link to it all down in the description. But for right now, that's it. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.